Pembina, Regent Lodge. That's where I'm going to be looking for the first one. Okay. But then also, I'm partnering up with one of the biggest franchise companies in the world, so they have investors that are ready.
And what's the verdict?
The U.S. and London, England.
Slaps.
So, it's going to be crazy. You're going to see that shit.
All right, how's the video? How's the sandwich?
Sandwich slaps, but check this out. He gave me the hot sauce.
Oh God. Oh no. I'm so glad I'm not in the car with you after this.
What are you talking about? I can live by this hot sauce. This is actually the waiver sauce I'm eating right now. I didn't sign a waiver. The sauce is fucking fire.
This dude's breaking rules just to have hot sauce.
You want a waiver?